Welcome to this quick guide on how to use the NFT Legend platform. In this video, we'll walk through the process of creating an account, connecting a wallet, depositing funds, and exploring the platform features step by step. Let's start by creating a new account. On the registration page, begin by entering your username. Choose a secure password and then confirm the password in the next field. Next, enter your phone number and your email address. After entering your email, you will need to verify it. Click on the option to receive the verification code and then enter the code sent to your email. If you have an affiliate code, you can enter it in the affiliate code field. Once all the required information is filled in, complete the registration process to create your account. After signing up successfully, you can move to the user profile settings to complete your account information. Inside the profile section, you will see several fields where you can manage and update your personal details. First, select your nationality from the available options. Next, you will need to connect your wallet address. The platform supports the USD TBEP20 network, so make sure the wallet address you enter is compatible with the BEP20 network. This wallet address will be used for transactions and withdrawals on the platform. You can also review your account information such as your username, phone number, and email address. Additionally, you may see fields for gender and birthday, which can also be updated within the profile settings. Once your profile information is completed, your account setup is ready. Next, the platform may require email verification to confirm your identity. Enter the verification code sent to your email in the verification field and submit it to complete the verification process. Once your wallet address is successfully connected, you can now deposit funds into your NFT Legend account. To do this, go to the Assets section and select Deposit. Here, the platform generates a deposit address for USDT on the BEP20 network. Copy this deposit address and open your crypto wallet. From your wallet, send the desired amount of USDT to the generated deposit address. In this example, 100.01 USDT is sent from the wallet. After the transaction is completed on the blockchain, return to the NFT Legend application. Within a few moments, the deposited funds will appear in your account balance. In this case, the balance is updated to 100 USDT, confirming that the deposit has been successfully credited. Next, navigate to the Reserve section of the platform. The Reserve feature allows users to temporarily lock a portion of their balance in order to participate in platform transactions. To begin, select the Reserve option. The system will allocate a portion of your funds. In this example, 92 USDT is reserved. Once the reservation is confirmed, a countdown timer begins. During this time, the reserved funds remain temporarily locked until the process is completed. While waiting for the reservation process to complete, you can take some time to explore other sections of the platform. For example, you can browse through some of the top NFT collections featured on the platform. These collections highlight different digital assets that are available within the NFT ecosystem. You can also check the community announcement channels, such as the official Telegram group, where users can stay updated with the latest platform news and announcements. In addition, the platform provides access to its official white paper. The white paper gives users a deeper understanding of how the platform operates and how its ecosystem is structured. Inside the white paper, you can find information about the platform's model, including features such as referral systems, staking opportunities, reward mechanisms, and community participation. Reviewing this information can help users better understand how the platform is designed to function. Once the reservation timer finishes, return to the main dashboard and check your account balance again. You will notice that the previously reserved funds have now been released back into your wallet balance. Along with the returned funds, a small profit has also been added to the total balance. The balance has increased from 100 USDT to 101.72 USDT, indicating that a profit of 1.72 USDT has been generated from the reservation process. This update confirms that the reservation cycle has been successfully completed and the earnings have been credited to your account. Now let's take a look at how the withdrawal process works. To begin, go to the Withdraw section located within the Assets page. Here you can enter the amount you would like to withdraw from your account. In this example, 30 USDT is entered as the withdrawal amount. Next, the platform will ask for an email verification code in order to confirm the withdrawal request. Enter the verification code sent to your email address. Once the code is entered, submit the withdrawal request to proceed. However, The platform may display a notification message indicating that KYC verification is required before withdrawals can be processed. This means that users must first complete identity verification before they are allowed to withdraw funds from the platform. To proceed with withdrawals, you must complete the KYC verification process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and it is a verification step used by the platform to confirm the identity of users before allowing withdrawals. To start the process, navigate to the KYC section within the application. Here, the platform will ask you to upload several verification images. The required documents include address proof, identity proof, a selfie for verification. Each document should be uploaded in the correct section provided by the platform. Make sure the images are clear and properly captured before submitting them. Once all the required documents are uploaded, submit the information for verification. After the platform reviews the submitted details, your account will be verified and you will be able to proceed with withdrawals. And that's how the NFT Legend platform works. Thanks for watching.